The base info widget reflects the crypto-based scanner information, stats, and performance for the selected market in the last 1,000 hours. Start by selecting one of 4 algorithms. Original uses 1-hour chart with open and close prices. Day trading, based on 1-hour charts, usually has more bases but lower drops. Conservative, based on 2-hour charts, has less bases but bigger drops than day trading. Position, based on 4-hour charts, has the least amount of bases and biggest drops. Use the arrows to examine the past bases. The selected base will be highlighted on the chart. Below, you can find information for the selected market. Drop. This reveals the current drop percentage from the base. The arrow represents if the price is still going down, a red arrow, or if it has already reached the bottom of the current drop and is going up, a green arrow. Base shows a price at which the base has been formed. You can also see the base drawn on the chart. Below base 4 shows how much time the price is below the base. 90% respected in, the average time it takes for the price drop to go back to the base or above the base. Median drop shows how deep the price usually goes down from the base. Median bounce, how high the price usually goes up before cracking the base. Bases respected, how many bases have been cracked or dropped 3% below the base, and how many of them have been respected or returned to the base or higher. Success rate is a percentage value of the bases respected. The number of days below base scatter chart shows the drop percentage and time it took each drop to recover. Usually, smaller drops recover faster and bigger drops take more time.